Here we go. What do you have to say, Max? Losing all your hair.
Losing it all. We're doing a mohawk right now.
Okay.
I'm gonna party hard in the city with the mohawk tonight. They're not gonna let me in anywhere. I should have done this for Halloween. Such a schmuck.
You should do his nipples too. Look.
Nipples, huh?
Give the round hair around your nipples, circles.
Leave it. Oh wow, this feels nuts. Yeah! Let me see this.
No, Max! No, Max! No.
It's not cutting it. Dude, I swear to you, it's not cutting it.
Why?
I don't know, it's not cutting it.
It's not thick enough.
You have to go against the hair.
Yeah, you have to go this way.
No, the other way.
That's what I did.
There you go.
No, it's really not bad. What's you doing, you smug?
No, it's good though. It's just that he has a big neck.
Let me see.
Wait.
I didn't finish.
No, wait, get it.
No, I didn't see this.
It's not bad.
You just gotta get that corner, David. No, it's fine.
Why are you laughing then? Watch it. I can't see. Give me another mirror.
No.
That's the only place to do it.
Look at my face. I'm covered in hair.
Go take a shower.
Go take a shower. Straight to the shower.
Are you done?
No. There's a couple of long ones sticking out in the front.
Is the back done?
Yeah,
It's not bad. It just looks, you have a big neck, so it looks...
Yeah, right. It's supposed to be down to here. It's up there.